give a tour to our hotel.
Okay, so a quick room tour guide for Hotel Turia in Chennai, where we are staying today.
First, this is the door.
Okay,
A small peephole
okay.
and a small key inside.
Mm-hmm.
And there are lights and something.
Lights for the bathrooms.
And this is the washroom.
So first thing, behind the door we have a good amount of space to put your luggage.
This is the
They have provided an
closet.
iron board, closet, iron box, a safe, some hangers, additional
Iron.
pillow.
Irons.
So a good closet is there.
This
Then
is the washroom.
washroom is there. So
This is the
wash basin,
with the giant mirror.
giant mirror, okay.
And
Then a shaving mirror, good. We have a separate shower area
and a toilet.
and toilet. So there is an emergency phone also if required. Then they have provided
Shampoos and toothpaste and
dental
all.
kit, one. Okay.
And then
They have provided one
comb.
shaving kit,
There's a comb.
one comb,
This is
disposable bag, shower pack, and care bag.
shower cap. And
Right.
cap. And this is the
Toilet paper is there. Western toilet. Nice, neat and clean, I would say. Shower area also has shampoo and conditioner. And I don't know if it works.
It's a weighing machine. I
So there's a
think.
weighing machine here.
Oh,
Okay,
it
works
weighs.
actually.
It weighs.
Okay, good.
It works.
Then moving on to the
Coffee station.
coffee station. Okay.
There's waters.
So water
Okay.
bottle complimentary they have provided, and
Kettle.
complimentary coffee and tea bags with milk packs.
And some sticks to mix it.
Okay.
2 cups.
Hmm.
1 kettle and 2 and glass.
Mhm. Then on top of this is all chargeable, just as it happens in rest of the hotels. There is a mini bar.
There's a mini fridge. It's
Yeah.
a fridge.
It's a fridge, but
Mini fridge.
there also is chargeable drinks if you want to consume. Okay, so
Yeah.
that's fine. Then we move on
To the room.
to the room. Then we have opted for a king size bed for our room. So here it is. It has 2 side tables. The bed is very nice. It's not too soft, it's not too hard,
It's normal.
it's normal. There is a television. I don't remember when I have watched a television in a hotel room, but it's just there for the sake of being there. You never get any channels available, right?
Then there's the working place.
There is a workplace. Okay, we need to avoid that one because we are on vacation or staycation. Then we have a big window, very big window starting from one side of the wall to the other side. There is no balcony, but the window itself is big and it provides a city view. It's an overcast condition in Chennai today, 31-degree temperature, but it feels much more than that.
And there is a nice comfortable sofa.
Okay, there is a nice comfortable sofa here with a table, 2 side tables, some paintings. The room looks a typical hotel room, nothing special, but it's neat and clean, no issues. Hassle-free check-in was there. We did not have to wait a lot. Check-in time was 2 o'clock. Good thing is that in our package, breakfast and 1 meal is included, either lunch or dinner. The hotel is in the city and they allow outside food also. That means you can order from Zomato, collect it from the reception or ground floor, and you can have it. So today we are going to do the same thing because we have just arrived and it's afternoon already, we are late. So the restaurant also, it is open, but we are not too hungry, but we will try in the evening. Hotel Turia, Chennai. It's a 5-star property. We will also go around the hotel and see what facilities it offers. But for now, signing off. We finally reached to Chennai from Bangalore. It took us 7 hours. In between, we did go to Marine Kingdom because we were early to Chennai and the check-in was at 2 o'clock. But hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.